The Dynamite Shop is a culinary school for youth in Brooklyn, New York. We opened in 2018 in this beautiful space that used to be a pizzeria in Park Slope.
It was really important that we were building a space where kids could explore what it was that got them excited about food.
What I really love about Sawyer is they just take the business management stuff off of our plate so we can just focus on teaching kids and writing great recipes. You would think that community can only be formed in person.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Hi.
But the kids, they get each other's phone numbers, they chat.
We call it a culinary social club.
I see some familiar faces and some new faces.
When you're starting a business, you have so many things to worry about.
We were really more interested in creating something that empowered youth to use their time in the kitchen to almost find themselves, figure out who they are in the world, how they want to share
And you'll
food.
see, once you've added all your eggs...
Through Sawyer, we've been able to reach so many customers that we wouldn't have reached otherwise.
This is looking great, guys.
It's super easy for me to use as a business owner, and I think it's simplified the customer booking experience.
We couldn't run this business without Sawyer.
On the count of 3, we're going to say bon appetit. 1, 2, 3.
Bon appetit!